What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Billy and we are at the foundation right now. This is the gym that I train at, but I wanted to talk to you guys about the Godox Cube SC. Now, the Godox Cube SC is a wireless lavalier system that you can use directly with your iPhone or your Android device. It connects via USB Type-C and it comes with 2 transmitters in this tiny case. Now, the cool thing about this microphone is not only does it capture 24-bit audio, but you can also use it with your Find My app in your iPhone. So this actually has Apple certified Find My technology integrated into this case. So if you ever lose it, you can always ding this. I actually tried it out and there's like a sound, there's like an actual speaker in this charging case and you can hear it. You can actually find it if you ever lose it. So it's really, really cool. But this is the foundation. This is the gym that I train at. I will give you guys a quick tour on what it looks like. So as soon as you step down, you're gonna see this beautiful hand-painted mural by my boy Faust. He actually hand-painted this over the course of, I think, 10 to 12 months. It's all like hand-drawn by pencil, hand-painted. I forgot how long this thing is. I think it's like 27 feet or something like that. But you can see the detail on some of the work here. And I actually shot a super cool video of him in the making when he was in the process of completing this painting. But like, look at all the detail. Yeah, super cool painting. And as you can see, we have some turf on the ground. Perfect for, you know, just wearing your socks around the gym. Then once you get to the main gym area, you have mirrors all around. You've got a Smith machine here. You've got a T-bar. Of course, you have a scale. You have your plyo box, your squat rack, whatever this thing is called. You have a treadmill directly in front of a projector, the leg extension machine, the preacher, curl area, bench. I don't even know what it's called. Then you have your cable machines, and then you have, of course, a full set of racks. I mean, a full set of weights that go all the way up to 100 pounds over there. Right now it is December 31st and we're doing a quick pull day in the gym. Just want to get a quick workout in before I enjoy my night. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this montage and I'll talk to you after this work. Weigh myself. I know I should be weighing myself in the morning, but I'm just curious. I'm really liking this Godox microphone because it's super small. The audio is clear. It has noise cancellation. So I'm going to turn it on right now with one press. And now it's orange. So now when it's orange, it's indicating to me that it's in noise cancellation mode. So after I just recorded the last clip, I went to go watch the video again. And I noticed that there is an actual significant difference when you turn on the noise cancellation mode on this microphone. Like for example, like the furnace just turned on. You can't hear that, but if I turn it off, you can probably hear some sort of noise background. But I can turn it back on with one press. It's orange now. So now it's in noise cancellation and you most likely cannot hear whatever's in the background, only my voice. My voice is being isolated right now, which is top tier. Very cool, Godox. I like this. So right now we're gonna do a range test and this is pretty far. I can't measure exactly how far this is, but this is obviously unobstructed and it's less than like 50 feet away. Godox claims that they have a 300 meter range when I guess it's unobstructed. So I still have to try to test that out somehow. But hopefully the audio is clear. There's no interruptions on how far I was. So in my last video, I was talking about the case and the phone tripod from Moft. Now I'll give you guys a better look at what this can do. So a lot of creators are using this phone tripod to create content, and it's super versatile and easy to start using, even in landscape mode. I can literally just walk around and start filming like this. And it has a pretty strong magnet for what it is. But you can also use it like tabletop mode. So if I have it on a table, I can use it to scroll, watch content if I wanted to. And then I can prop it up like that on a tabletop to capture any angles I want to, which is super cool. I think it's on sale right now. I'll drop a link in my bio to get one of these on Amazon. And also the case. So the case is from Andar, and I'm really liking this case. It goes really well with the natural titanium. Yeah, you probably can't see it on camera that well, but it is kind of dinged up. I've used it for a couple weeks now, but I really like this case just because of the premium feel of the leather. And I'll also drop a link to this in the description below. You can pick one up for yourself. I think it's time to clock out so I can get home and make dinner for 7 o'clock. All right, so on the way home now, and I hate wintertime because it gets dark so quickly, but I'm still using the Godox microphone right here with noise cancellation on. It's still on. No reason for me to turn it off because I like the way it sounds. And you probably can't hear my loud exhaust in the background, which is good. But I'm also using the Pixel 8 Pro recording in 4K. I'm using the 1X lens right now. And the only reason why I'm not using the front-facing camera is because the front-facing camera is only 12 megapixels on this phone compared to the newer one. I think the newer one, don't get me quoted, but I think the newer one is a 24 megapixel. I think it's double. And there's a significant difference in the quality of the front-facing camera, basically the selfie camera, on the 9 Pro XL and the 9 Pro. But I'm still using the 8 Pro. It does what I need it to do. And it's great paired with the Godox Cube SC. So I don't know about you guys, but the way I've been using ChatGPT is to look up recipes. So today I'm cooking pad kaprao, which is a Thai dish. I'm using ground beef, but I always forget what seasonings I need to use in the beef. And instead of just going on YouTube and watching a video, I just ask ChatGPT, give me the recipe. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar, water, basil. Easy, man. Easy. As the chef, you have to try the food. busting. So just to recap you guys about the microphone that I was talking about in the beginning of this video, this is the Godox Cube SC, and right out of the box, you will get some accessories for the microphone. So you obviously have the charging case that comes with the 2 transmitters and the receiver that plugs into your phone. And this charging case is the only thing that you can use with the Find My network, not the actual microphones. So if you do lose one of the microphones and you can't find it, well, it's honestly just too bad. So they are pretty small. They weigh in just at 7 grams without the magnet at the back. Also in the box, you will get 2 of these clips that you can use to clip on to like a piece of clothing, and the microphone will just magnetically attach to the back there. You have 2 of these wind muffs that you're going to use outside if it is windy. And you also have these handy dandy necklaces that you can use just in case you want to keep something secure. So you can wrap this around your neck like this, and then the microphone will just hang on to this magnet right here like a necklace. So the Cube S microphone come in 2 different colors, black and white. They also come in 2 different iterations for USB Type-C and Lightning cable. So if you have like an older iPhone and you want to get this microphone, you still can. So the audio quality is super clear and the noise cancellation works really well. I really like how you can just press the 1 button and it'll automatically start the noise cancellation for you. The noise cancellation works really well. And if you go back to the beginning of this video, you can see it for yourself. Now the Godox Cube series records in 24-bit audio. So you know that the audio is super clear. Right now I'm using the DJI Mic 2 and it's recording in 32-bit flow audio. So 24-bit audio coming right out of the box in a plug and play device is very impressive in my opinion. And Godox claims that it has a 300-meter range, but I haven't honestly tested it out for 300 meters. I only tested out what I did in the gym. And so far the battery life has been decent. Godox claims that it has 30 hours of battery life with the charging case. And the build quality itself is really well made. So this is all hard plastic. The microphones itself attach with like small magnets to the bottom of this case, just like that. And if you open it, they don't just fall out. There is like a small magnet that holds them together. You have the charging indicator for the battery right here on the side, right on top of the USB Type-C to charge this actual case. Now, my verdict on the Godox Cube SC is that this thing is really good for what it is. Right out of the box, you get a high quality microphone that you can use directly paired with your phone. It records high quality audio. It has a decent battery. The range is really good. The noise cancellation is superb. And overall, it's a great plug and play experience if you're looking to level up your audio game. I also forgot to mention that the Cube S has a dedicated application that you can use to fine tune the gain on this microphone. And it's fairly easy to use. All you do is plug this in, you download the app from the Play Store or the Apple Store, and you can control the gain on the actual microphone. If this video helped you at all in making a decision on getting this Godox Cube SC, let me know in the comments, drop a like, drop a subscription, let me know on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.